Alrighty, how you guys doing? This is my 2003 Yamaha R6. Today's video, I just want to go ahead and show you, I put a new shorty pipe on it. This actually is an off-road pipe, so after putting it on, I kind of realized that it may be a little bit too loud for the street. You could possibly get a noise violation. I'd say there's a real good chance of that. But I just want to go ahead and show you what was on it and the difference that it makes to basically get rid of all the muffler and go completely with a shorty pipe. So they're really pretty easy to put on. It's really actually only about a $60 pipe because there's not too much design that actually goes into it. I mean, it's just a pipe and there is a small baffle inside of it. You can get the pipe for around $60 as opposed to your Yoshimura and your Two Brothers, costing anywhere from $500 to $800 if you want to do a full exhaust. There's just two bolts. It just slips right on, and it does, however, look a lot better than the big pipe coming all the way up the tail. But it may not be as good for everyday use. I mean, you're going to know your neighbors, and it's pretty hard in your own ears.